Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out another video. This is a SHEIN festival season haul. So this is some inspo for you for going to, well, Coachella's over now, but there's a bunch of different festivals all summer long, and just to give you some inspiration on how to tie in some of the looks for the season into your festival looks. I love being playful and fun with my looks, so I'm so excited to team up with SHEIN to bring you guys some colorful, interesting, different looks that will get you photographed whenever you are heading out to your festival. So this first look is a denim on denim look with pops of bright pink and fuchsia and lime green. So I put together this crop top with a cute denim skirt. It is cool enough so that you won't get too hot in the summer. You have your flats on. These flats don't give you as much support, so this is more for maybe like a lawn party or somewhere you're not going to be doing too much walking. But I think this is a cute look and will definitely get you photographed and noticed at your festival. So this next look is definitely getting into more of a bohemian style. You're going to have your nice smock type of dress. You're going to have your heels. I think I also put like a cute headscarf and a simple bag. I think what's most important when it comes to these looks is definitely accessorize. You can never over accessorize these looks, especially for festival, because when you're walking around and you want to get photographed, most of the photographers are looking for something interesting, something that pops out. So I like to use the accessories for that pop, and also color. Color definitely helps to jazz up a look. Like when you put this together, it's pretty simple. It's a white dress, but all the little touches of color, different materials, different textures definitely give this look a more interesting vibe. What I like about this look is that it's very easy to wear. You can put a pair of slides in your purse, so if you want to take the heels off, you can absolutely do that as the day goes on. So this next look is definitely a mixing of materials. You have a little bit of denim, you have fringe, you have knits. I put a knitted hat with this, and sunglasses, just a bunch of different textures and colors, but it does come all together because the skirt does have a wide range of colors in it. So I kind of pulled some of the colors from the skirt out and did those colors for the accessories. And here you see the look all together. Definitely an eclectic look. Definitely something I would wear to a festival. I could see me wearing this to a concert, a lawn party, maybe to Essence Fest. This would be a great Essence Fest outfit. It's definitely cool enough for that, warm weather this summer, and definitely gives you a different kind of look. This next look is definitely giving eclectic as well. I love this swimsuit. I did wear the swimsuit just as a bodysuit with the shorts. This hat is definitely going to give you a cute look and give you some shade if you're in a sunny area. I definitely paired this with some flats that has some good cushion, because sometimes you will be walking far and needing like a little bit more support, and these shoes were definitely comfortable. Love these little touches of accessories. This cute little bag was adorable. I'm gonna double back and get that bag in several different colors because it's just too cute for words. I did add a belt to this look, but I kind of felt like it wasn't necessary, to be honest. When you see the look, you guys let me know. Was the belt necessary or was it overkill? I feel like it would tie the hat in better to have the belt, but once I had it on, I was like, I don't think the belt was necessary. I love, love, love this swimsuit and these shoes. These shoes are so comfortable. I highly, highly recommend. I'm gonna check and see if they have them in other colors, because I will definitely be grabbing them. They're comfortable and give you some good support. And last but not least, it isn't festival season without the perfect sundress. I absolutely love this sundress because it does have the little peekaboos in it, and I love the vibrant hot pink and orange. Those are some of my favorite colors to wear, especially in summer. So I love, love, love the way this look came out. Now I did get the dress in a size medium. I almost wish I had gotten it in a large because I wanted it to be a little bit longer. I'm not sure if the large would hang longer or not. Let me know, do you guys like the length of this? I think it's cute though. Like the overall look is very cute, especially with the blonde hair and the shades. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what you like to wear when you go to your festivals, lawn parties, or concerts this spring, summer season. Thank you so much, SHEIN, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys do one thing for me. Share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a SHEIN lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.